In this video, I will test this smallest module from AliExpress to charge a single lithium battery like this. So this is the smallest module to charge it. It only has input. So here is the input, these two positive and negative for the lithium battery to charge. For the output, and it has this USB-C as a charging port. So in order for output, we just need something like a battery holder, and you will manually need to solder two wires in the positive and negative to give the output. Now let's solder this module and see how long it will take to charge this single lithium battery cell. This cell is from a laptop battery used and that was not working, but these cells usually take quite long to charge, but they have a very good capacity than the brand new cells, which take less time to charge, but they discharge quite fast. These cells have very good capacity. So I will test it with this, and also I will use this cell. This is new cell. It is rated for 3000 mAh, and this is rated for 2800 mAh. So they are almost of the same capacity. Now let's start. So this is negative, so I will use this black wire. Now let's plug the USB port, and as you can see, The red light is now on. It has very small LEDs. Once it is charged, there is a second LED green that will on. Now I will see how long it will take to charge this, and then I will test the other Chinese made cell. So this is a very small module, so the output is 0.5 amperes. So its charging voltage is 4.2 volts and output current is around 6.6 amperes. So now let's charge this cell. How long it will take. So this is also lithium battery cell, but it is from a laptop battery. So this cell is more heavy, and if I try to charge it with this, it will take quite long, but I will still test it. But as I have already charged this cell with a 1 ampere lithium battery module, and it takes very long, as these cells are used cells, so they take very long time to charge even with the 1 ampere, as this is zero point 0.6 amperes, so it will take too much time to charge this used cell. So I will charge this new cell. It is light, not that of quality of the laptop battery cell, but it works. As, as you can see, now the light is green, so it is now charged. Now let's measure. So it is 4.13. So